Hey there, Drift here again. So doing another job on my Audi R8. So Audi, when they did the Gen 1 R8, one of the clever things they did was they buried the brake reservoir underneath all the underbody panels inside the bonnet of the car. So to get to the brake fluid reservoir, to bleed the brakes and change the fluid and what have you, you have to take actually all these panels out that are under the front of the car and the windshield wipers off to get in under there. But I'm doing a modification today, which is drilled. I've just located where the cap was. I've taken enough buttons out to lift this up, slide a piece of timber that's a bit thicker than the drill bit, the pilot bit that I'm using in this drill, and I've drilled the hole. I've just finished that now. We'll take that out. There we are. The plug is in there, the plastic's there, and I did have the vacuum running just to clear up the dust as I was cutting the hole. So now if we pull out this piece of timber, I dropped in one of those bolts, there is the brake reservoir cap. So now with the hole, can get in there and undo the cap to get at the brake fluid, which saves taking off all these panels. Now I have looked online. I've got a rubber bung that I've jacked up that I can source locally, and I'll go and pick one up later on, and I can actually put that rubber bung in there to make it look nice and tidy, although that is not too bad and untidy as it is with the cap. I seem to have got the center pretty well lined up with the center of that hole, so pretty successful. I think I just need to put bolts back in, put the screws back in, put the rubber back around on there, pick up the screw that I dropped under the car. There it is, and that's it. That's the modification, which apparently on the Series 2, the Gen 2 R8, they've corrected that by having the cap accessible under the bonnet. I suppose there's a hole with a bung on it or something similar, which they've got there so you can access that. That's my job today. That's very short, sweet, and we'll see you again next time. There's something else to do, no doubt. Bye for now. Cheers.